Hello everyone, my name is Diane Mankin and I am a second year medical student at Universidad Autónoma de Guadalajara School of Medicine. Most of us have experienced when visiting the doctor's office that the doctor put the stethoscope in our chest. What is the doctor listening to? That's what we're going to find out in this short video about the stethoscope and normal heart sounds. Our lungs are in charge of performing the exchange between the carbon dioxide that our body produces and the oxygen that we breathe. Our heart is in charge of pumping blood to all our body and back to our lungs. The heart is divided into 4 chambers, and they are called right and left ventricle and right and left atrium. The tricuspid valve will divide the right atrium and the right ventricle, while the mitral valve will divide the left atrium and the left ventricle. Oxygenated blood will come from our lungs to the heart through the pulmonary vein, and it will get into the left atrium, while non-oxygenated blood will come from all our body to the heart through the inferior and superior vena cava, and it will get into the right atrium. Once we have the blood into the right and left ventricle, it will pass us through the tricuspid valve and the mitral valve respectively to the right and left ventricle. Once the mitral valve closes and the tricuspid valve closes, that is our first heart sound, and it will be called S1. The blood in the left ventricle will pass to the aortic artery through the aortic valve, and the blood in the right ventricle will pass through the pulmonary valve to the pulmonary artery. When the aortic valve closes, that is our second normal heart sound, and it is called S2. When we go into the doctor's office and the doctor places the stethoscope in our chest, that is called auscultation. When listening to the heart, we will get a loop-doop, loop-doop, loop-doop kind of sound. We have 4 anatomical spaces to do this auscultation. The first one is in the second intercostal space in the left side, and this is to listen to the pulmonary valve. The second anatomical space will be here, in the second intercostal space, but in our right side, and this is to listen to our aortic valve. The third one will be in the fourth intercostal space, and this is to listen to our tricuspid valve. And the last one will be on the side in the fifth intercostal space, and this one is to listen to our mitral or apex, the apex of the heart. Usually the auscultation is performed where the patient is laying down. I hope you guys have liked this video as much as I did while recording it. Medicine is such a beautiful science, and I truly love what I do. There is a world of possibilities out there just waiting for you. No matter the path that you choose, make sure that it makes you happy, give you this chance to give back to your community, and that it fills your heart and soul. If you have a doubt about this or any other topic, do not hesitate to contact me through mankindiane@gmail.com. Thank you so much and have a blessed day.